Seniors, listen closely. Your muscles may be disappearing quietly, and you might not even notice it. Right now, as you're watching this video, over 40 older adults across the country will be rushed to the hospital due to a fall. While most people assume these falls are just bad luck or poor balance, here's a crucial truth no one tells you. For millions of seniors, these frightening falls are actually triggered by silent muscle loss, a condition called sarcopenia that quietly begins around age 60 and intensifies over time. You might feel perfectly fine, vibrant even, but the alarming reality is that even if you're active and eating healthy, you could still be losing up to 1 out of every 3 pounds of muscle in your body without any warning signs. And there's no pain, no obvious symptoms, just a slow, insidious slipping away until one day something as simple as getting out of a chair becomes a struggle, or a minor misstep catastrophically transforms into a serious fracture. This isn't merely a health concern, it's one of the primary reasons seniors lose their precious independence and find themselves transitioning into assisted living. But here's the game-changing discovery most doctors aren't yet talking about. Harvard researchers have unearthed something truly astonishing. They've found specific foods that can genuinely reverse muscle loss, even in your 70s and 80s. In fact, one of these remarkable foods contains a unique protein that, in rigorous clinical trials, helped older adults rebuild muscle in an astounding 6 weeks, often faster than many prescription medications. The twist? Chances are, this powerful ally isn't currently stocked in your kitchen. That's precisely why, in this video, we are about to unveil the top 10 science-backed, muscle-saving foods and break down exactly how to incorporate them into your life to stay strong, steady, and gloriously independent for all the years to come. But first, take a quick moment and leave a comment below. Tell us, where are you watching from? And more importantly, have you ever noticed yourself feeling weaker doing everyday tasks? If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so this life-changing information reaches even more seniors who need it most. Let's dive into some truly underrated champions for muscle preservation. We'll begin with humble beans and legumes like lentils and chickpeas, which you can easily find in any grocery store. Many people over 60 still link the word protein only with meat, but the truth is, these plant-based powerhouses are packed with essential amino acids, which are the fundamental building blocks your body uses to repair and maintain muscle tissue, even if you haven't touched a dumbbell in years. Plus, they offer magnesium and iron, 2 vital minerals often lacking in older adults, both absolutely critical for muscle strength and endurance. Their high fiber content not only aids digestion, but actually helps your body absorb more nutrients from everything you eat, making every single bite of protein count even more. The best part? They're incredibly inexpensive, simple to prepare, and versatile enough to be added to nearly any meal, whether it's soups, salads, stews, or even blended into a healthy spread. Paired with this, don't overlook eggs, nature's perfect muscle food, which for decades unfairly suffered from a bad reputation due to cholesterol concerns. However, modern science has unequivocally confirmed their status as one of the most powerful muscle-preserving foods available. Each egg delivers around 6 grams of high-quality, easily absorbed protein, particularly vital after age 60 when protein absorption naturally slows. Beyond protein, eggs are rich in leucine, an amino acid that literally activates your body's muscle-building switch, making them especially important for older adults combating age-related muscle loss. They also provide crucial vitamin D and choline, supporting your bones, nerves, and brain, all key components for maintaining strength, balance, and coordination as you age. What many people find surprising is that moderate egg consumption has often been shown to improve cholesterol levels in older adults rather than harming them. So, if old myths have kept you from enjoying them, it's time to bring them back into your diet, whether scrambled, boiled, or poached. This simple food can profoundly help you maintain strength, energy, and independence, one delicious breakfast at a time. Moving on, for a protein-rich snack that actively works double duty, building muscle and safeguarding your bones, look no further than Greek yogurt, an item that might already be waiting in your fridge. We're specifically talking about plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, which, compared to regular yogurt, boasts nearly double the protein, often up to 10 grams per 100 grams, making it one of the easiest and most delicious ways to repair and maintain muscle tissue. Furthermore, Greek yogurt is teeming with probiotics, fostering gut health, and a healthy gut, remarkably, plays a significant role in how efficiently your body absorbs and utilizes essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and yes, protein. As a top natural source of calcium, Greek yogurt helps you not only recover and strengthen your muscles, but also fortify your bones, substantially lowering your risk of fractures. Elevate this super snack by adding berries for antioxidants, chia seeds for fiber, or a few walnuts for healthy fats. Beyond this, consider chicken, the lean powerhouse for muscle maintenance. Skinless chicken breast offers one of the most complete and efficient protein sources, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle, but without the heavier fat content often found in red meats. Each serving offers a generous dose of high-quality, easily digestible protein, making it ideal for seniors who might experience decreased appetite or digestive challenges. Its richness in B vitamins like B6 and niacin further boosts your body's ability to convert food into energy and supports your nervous system, both vital for maintaining strength and coordination as you age. Unlike processed meats that are frequently laden with preservatives and sodium, chicken is clean, versatile, and straightforward to prepare, grilled, roasted, baked, or tossed into a soup or salad, making it an affordable staple that absolutely deserves a consistent place in your weekly meal plan if you're aiming to stay strong, active, and independent. For a powerful plant-based source that's loaded with nutrients and supports recovery, hydration, and inflammation control, consider the small but mighty chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, offering older adults a trifecta of benefits for muscle strength, recovery, and long-term vitality. Just 1 tablespoon delivers about 4 grams of plant-based protein, serving as a fantastic supplement to your daily intake, especially if you're reducing meat consumption. Where chia seeds truly shine is their abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for reducing inflammation, protecting joints, and accelerating muscle recovery from everything from a short walk to a physical therapy session. Their high fiber and antioxidant content supports digestion and helps your body combat the oxidative stress that contributes to muscle breakdown with age. Furthermore, because chia seeds absorb water and form a gel-like texture, they support hydration, an often overlooked necessity for muscle function and energy that many seniors don't get enough of. They're incredibly easy to use. Stir into yogurt, sprinkle on oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or mix with water and lemon for a natural energy boost. For a low-effort, high-impact way to fortify your muscles from the inside out, chia seeds are a must-add to your diet. If there's one food group consistently found in the diets of the strongest, healthiest seniors, it's fatty fish, particularly accessible options like sardines and tuna, which pack an incredible punch for maintaining muscle strength, protecting your heart, and curbing inflammation as you age. These fish are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, scientifically proven to reduce muscle loss, enhance recovery, and even support muscle growth in older adults. They also offer a rare combination of vitamin D and phosphorus, essential for robust bones and properly functioning muscles. Plus, with around 25 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams, your muscles receive exactly what they need without the heavy fats or fillers often present in many processed meats. However, a crucial note, not all canned fish are equal. Some contain added sodium, preservatives, or traces of mercury, which are best avoided as you age. Opt for fish packed in water with no additives. Always check labels, or even better, choose fresh or frozen options when possible for cleaner, tastier, and more beneficial meals. Including fatty fish in your routine once or twice a week is one of the smartest and simplest upgrades you can make to your muscle health today. For a crunchy, satisfying, and easy-to-carry snack that boosts muscles, turn to nuts like almonds, walnuts, and hazelnuts. These are not merely heart-healthy, they are muscle-friendly power foods dense with nutrients specifically beneficial for aging bodies. They offer plant-based protein, about 6 to 8 grams per serving, making them a smart, convenient way to increase daily protein without solely relying on meat or dairy. Rich in magnesium and phosphorus, minerals often deficient in older adults, they help prevent muscle cramps and fatigue while supporting energy production and muscle repair, keeping your body running smoothly. Furthermore, nuts are loaded with natural antioxidants that shield your muscle cells from oxidative stress, a hidden contributor to muscle aging. The key is moderation. A small handful daily is plenty to reap strength, energy, and anti-aging support with every bite. Yet, while nuts are powerful, they're not a complete meal. For a sustained source of energy that keeps your muscles fueled and ready to move, you might be surprised to find the solution already in your pantry: oats. You've likely enjoyed a bowl of oatmeal before, but perhaps haven't realized its potential as a muscle-supporting superfood, especially important after 60. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, allowing you to stay active longer and avoid energy crashes from sugary snacks. This steady energy is vital for your muscles, as a low fuel supply can lead to your body breaking down muscle tissue for energy. But oats offer more than just carbs. They contain essential amino acids that support muscle repair and regeneration, particularly crucial after illness, injury, or feeling run down. They're also naturally high in fiber, aiding digestion and helping your body absorb crucial nutrients like protein and minerals for muscle health. Their versatility is unmatched. Cooked traditionally, blended into smoothies, baked into pancakes, or prepared as overnight oats for a grab-and-go breakfast. Oats truly deliver as a budget-friendly, gut-friendly, and muscle-friendly meal base. Finally, let's explore two remarkable muscle allies. First, the familiar banana, a fruit that not only protects your muscles, but helps prevent some of the most frustrating and painful problems older adults face daily. As we age, muscle cramps, stiffness, and sudden energy drops become frustratingly common. While seemingly minor annoyances, they often signal a deficiency. Bananas come to the rescue, naturally high in potassium, a critical mineral for muscle contraction and recovery. Low potassium levels make muscles more prone to tightening, fatiguing quickly, or spasming without warning. Bananas also deliver fast, natural carbohydrates, providing energy without sharp blood sugar spikes, making them perfect pre- or post-activity snacks for fueling muscles during walks, appointments, or daily chores. Plus, their vitamin B6 content supports nerve function, essential for smooth, coordinated movement. Inexpensive, portable, and ready to eat with no prep or cleanup, a banana is a simple addition that can significantly reduce muscle tightness, fatigue, or that afternoon slump. But now for the pinnacle, the single most powerful muscle-protecting food on our entire list, and it might not be what you expect: sprouted chickpeas. You've surely heard of chickpeas, perhaps in hummus or salad, but here's the game-changing secret. When you sprout them, they transform into one of the most potent muscle-rebuilding foods available, especially beneficial for older adults. Sprouting means the seed has begun to grow, a process that nutritionally supercharges the chickpea. This makes them profoundly effective, delivering a higher concentration of protein than regular chickpeas, and it's a form your body can absorb and utilize more easily. Sprouting also activates enzymes that enhance digestive efficiency, meaning you extract more nutrients from your food without burdening your digestive system. Critically for seniors, sprouting significantly reduces anti-nutrients like phytic acid, compounds that obstruct the absorption of vital minerals such as iron, zinc, calcium, and magnesium, all crucial for strong muscles, resilient bones, and steady energy. In essence, sprouted chickpeas don't just provide protein, they help your body actually use it. They're low in fat, high in fiber, and gentle on blood sugar, making them an excellent choice for maintaining lean muscle, improving digestion, and supporting healthy metabolism. You can find them at natural grocery stores, farmers markets, or online, but better yet, sprout your own at home by simply soaking, draining, and letting them sit for a day or two until they begin to grow. Once sprouted, add them to salads, blend into dips, or toss into grain bowls for a satisfying muscle-fueling meal. And if chickpeas aren't your preference, you can sprout other legumes like lentils or alfalfa for similar benefits. The takeaway is profound. As we age, digestion slows, nutrient absorption weakens, and protein becomes harder to utilize. Sprouted chickpeas and other sprouted foods naturally help overcome these challenges, offering a smart, science-backed way to bolster your strength, resilience, and independence starting with your very next meal. So, let's bring all this vital information together. What you choose to put on your plate today has a direct and powerful impact on how strong and vibrant you feel tomorrow. From legumes to eggs, from fatty fish to fermented foods, every item on this carefully curated list shares one incredible purpose. It fuels the muscles that keep you moving, balanced, and truly free. While muscle loss often happens silently, so too does its recovery, especially when you consistently provide your body with the precise nutrients it craves. The crucial question now before you is this: are you going to allow your strength to quietly fade away, or are you ready to reclaim it and powerfully take it back? The choice, dear friend, is entirely yours, and we genuinely want to hear from you. Which of these remarkable foods are already a part of your daily routine? And which one on this list surprised you the most with its profound benefits? Your personal experience might just be the inspiration someone else needs to take their very first step towards renewed strength and vitality. If you found this video helpful and empowering, please consider subscribing to our channel, because we are here to consistently guide you with trustworthy, science-based tips that are proven to work for real people just like you in their 60s, 70s, and far beyond. If you're ready to continue learning and expanding your knowledge for a stronger future, be sure to check out our next video on screen now. It dives even deeper into the daily habits that empower older adults not just to prevent decline, but to truly thrive and flourish well into their later, golden years. Remember, you are absolutely not done growing stronger. You're simply just getting started.